Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Facts and Fictions. Today we are going to talk about interesting facts about animals, birds and insects. If you are new on our channel, hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon. Let's start. Male penguins propose to females by giving them a pebble. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Octopus has 3 hearts. Hummingbird is the only bird which can fly backwards. Giraffe is the only animal that cannot make any sound. Giraffe can clean its ears with its tongue. The elephant is the only mammal that cannot jump. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Cockroach can live for a week without its head. Camels have 3 eyelids to protect their eyes from sand. Butterflies test with their feet. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. Ants never sleep. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, kindly subscribe